The day is ending. The sun slowly fades, and the world becomes still. Take a deep breath and let go of everything that no longer serves you. This is your moment to return to peace, to calm your thoughts, relax your body, and open your heart to rest. As you breathe in, feel the cool evening air fill your lungs. As you exhale, release the weight of the day. Let every breath wash away stress, noise, and hurry. There is nothing more to do, nothing to fix, just presence, just peace. Think of 3 things you are grateful for today. Moments that made you smile, people who brought you warmth, even the challenges that helped you grow. Whisper quietly, "Thank you for this day. Thank you for this life. Thank you for this peace." With each breath, imagine a soft golden light surrounding you. It gently clears your thoughts, your emotions, your energy. You are safe. You are guided. You are loved. Let go of what no longer belongs to you. You are free. Now feel your body becoming heavier and softer. Your shoulders relax. Your mind slows down. Your breath becomes deep and calm. You are sinking into a warm sea of peace. You are ready to rest. The day is complete. The night embraces you with silence and comfort. Let yourself drift into sleep with gratitude and love. You are calm. You are safe. You are home.